Welcome everyone to Queen of Cuisine. So today we are making a quick and easy lunch. I was so hungry for a cheeseburger, and right now we're not leaving the house because of quarantine. So I decided to make a cheeseburger at home. Luckily I had some hamburger patties, and I just put a few onion rings inside the skillet with it. Along with that, I'm using some seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and as you can see in the back, I have some hamburger buns. So I have the stove set at a medium heat, and I'm using a 20% fat beef patty. I like to use a fattier meat because with a cheeseburger because I like mine well done, but I also want my hamburger juicy. And as you can see, I used entirely way too much seasoning because I'm trying to use one hand to record and one hand to cook with. So I'm waiting for my tripod to come in the mail, but until then, this is what's happening. And then I added onion rings to the skillet. I like mine sauteed. If you want yours raw, you don't have to cook yours. I'm adding all my seasonings, and after I flip it, I press it down in all four corners to make sure it's evenly cooked. And I took out the onions, placed them on a plate, and I started to build my sandwich while the cheeseburger finished cooking. Right now, I'm just checking to make sure that the meat, I'm just taking a knife and checking to make sure it's cooked the whole way on the inside. I put some mayonnaise on the bun, and I also toasted the buns before putting the mayonnaise on for a couple minutes. The cheese is almost melted, but while it's finishing, I'm going to add some ketchup, put my onions on, and a piece of lettuce. And that's it, you guys. Now the cheeseburger is ready to go. I did put it on a paper towel to soak off some of the meat, the fat. And there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. This is your girl, Queen of Cuisine, and we're all kings and queens of the kitchen. And this was delicious.